All right, here's the drone video for a really nice, fully surveyed 5.16 acre tract directly bordering over 20,000 acres of national forest. So we're parked on the county road. We're looking easterly at the property. As you can see, it's basically all wooded, and we're looking down at the west side. We're looking easterly. As we pan up, eventually off in the distance, you'll see the national forest. So this, yeah, as we look easterly, we're looking over the property, and then it borders the national forest along its entire east side. So really special tract. Literally has national forest frontage along the entire east side and county road frontage along the entire west side. You can see there's sort of a flat open area right there where we could have pulled the truck in, but we just left it on the county road there. You can check out the topo map to see how it really sits, but there's some flat area on the southwest side. As we go east and northeast, it's going to rise up and then level off toward the northeast side as we get to the national forest. So now we're facing north. The property is going to be on the right. Well, now we're facing now we're facing southerly, so property on the left. And I think we're going to do a complete flyover here. Unfortunately, it was really overcast the day we did this video, but I mean, we can still get a good look at the property. You can already see it's covered with large timber. Some of it very, very large. A lot of hardwood, but I mean, you'll have some nice pine and cedar and probably sycamore trees as well on this one. Really, really interesting tract. Okay, so we're kind of following, I guess what you could call the creek bed easterly on the property. It's a wet weather creek, so it's not going to flow all year, but you can see it on the topo map. Goes to the east. I believe it's about 600 feet that this goes back to the east. So I mean, just maximum privacy on this property. Look at all that pine there on the left. Some nice stands of pine. And then at some point we're going to transition into national forest. I'm not sure where the line was or if we've crossed it already, but like we mentioned earlier, directly borders that national forest, so you can literally walk from your property into the thousands and thousands of acres of national forest, and you can use that for hunting, for hiking, trail riding, recreation, fishing. There are rivers and creeks. I mean, it's just unbelievable opportunity to not only directly border the national forest, but also have county road frontage on the other side, so you can get to your property. So that's one of the very unusual things about this property, in addition to having the nice timber, is that not only does it border the national forest, but it borders the county road on the other side, so you can get to the property, as opposed to quite a few properties. If you're able to find anything that borders the national forest, oftentimes they're really hard to get to because parts of the national forest are so secluded. In this case, you can get to this property all year in any type of vehicle on the county maintained road. We're only about 3 miles off of Highway 60, but super private. Now I believe we're looking westerly, back toward, looking over the property and back toward the county road. And this really is a nice mix of timber. I mean, check out the ground video. We've only seen a fraction of the property, but we saw some really nice big trees. Once this property's been paid for in full, I mean, you can use the trees to build a cabin. You can potentially log it and sell the timber. There's quite a bit of value there. So while you're making payments to us, you can't cut any timber with the stump diameter of over 8 inches. But once the property's been paid for, you can do whatever you like with the timber. So looking southerly, land on the left. Stunning property, super rare tract, fully surveyed. If you have any questions, let us know. You can check it out at InstantAcres.com. Amazing area for recreation. You can build as well, of course. Yeah, just really nice property. InstantAcres.com.